Hello friend and welcome to this new series of 5-minute story from Pragati Success Story. You seem to be very excited. So let's start with our very first story. This story is of English professor named Sajid Varghese from Christ University, Bangalore. So what he did contribute significantly in making our environment less pollutant and saving marine life and other aquatic bodies. So you must be thinking what it is. First, let me make you aware of the problem he solved through his innovation. Every new day we are visiting restaurant, hotels and cafe. Visiting them is not a problem. Problem starts when we start placing order on drink, milkshake and other juice. These are served to us with plastic straw, leaving unbiodegradable substances left to be disposed in the ocean. Owing to its texture and lightweight, plastic straw can neither be recycled. In 2017, market research from Fredonesia Group estimated the use of nearly 390 million plastic straw per day within the US itself. So what did Sajid Varghese sir did to overcome these problems? Sajid Varghese sir has begun to develop biodegradable and safer coconut leaf straw for our environment. It not only protects the atmosphere from waste, it also helps dry leaves in landfill burn less. So you must be thinking how it all started. So the story behind this is, one day when Sajid Varghese sir was walking in Christ University, one of the coconut leaves from the tree dropped on his leg. So he took this leaf to his laboratory with him and worked on the leaf on high pressure and high steam, giving a pleasant result of creating a shiny layer within those leaves. So he discovered single layered leaf with the help of food grade glue. After some test and technique, in year 2018, he finally rendered multi-layered straw. The lifespan of 12 months, these leaves are water sustainable for 6 hours. This invention of Sajid Varghese sir gave him a patent and his brand named Sunbird. In the award ceremony being hosted by Climate Launchpad Award in the Netherlands, they won the award of Best Innovation for Social Impact against 45 competing countries. This automatically pushed them into the international market and soon they started receiving orders from countries like Malaysia, USA, UK, Germany, Australia and Philippines. Several hotels like JW Marriott also approached the company to place bulk order. The innovation also kept some urban poor and rural women satisfy their livelihood who were only dependent on small farm incomes. In the recent year, with the help of Rahul Mishra, he also started working on his new startup named Blessing Palm, giving us a biodegradable products like Kera straw, which are the same straw that are made from coconut leaves, Kera Sheen, which is a disc scrubbing mash made from fiber of fallen coconut leaves, and Kera Coaster, which is a drink coaster made from pressed and hardened leaf cushion. All these products are biodegradable and sustainable to our environment. Blessing Palm, the biodegradable straw, won a national level prize at IIT Delhi at I2S Startup Completion held in December. With this innovation in mind, they are also seeking fund of rupees 5 lakh and some expert and mentor advice to deal with challenges like developing a manual or semi-automatic device to increase the rate of production of the straw, developing a scalable business model to cater to the huge demand of straw. It's time we heal our world by acting sensibly. Please help everyone know about this innovation which can drastically reduce use of plastic straw and save our ocean and also create income for our rural brother and sister and bring more cheers in their families. To know more about the product and their startup idea, you can also visit their website. Link is given in the description box. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this new story. For more such short and inspiring story, you can also like, share and subscribe my channel Pragati Success Story. All the data within this video is thoroughly collected through Google search, social media apps, newspaper, blogs and various other publications. Thank you for listening this story and stay safe and stay healthy.